Welcome to another in my series of tutorial videos for Canvas LMS. In this particular video, we are going to go over the use of the multi-tool for building modules. As you can see in this older U.S. history course, modules look like units of study, and they're a good way to organize your course. As you go down the list, you can kind of see that I've got this particular course organized into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different units for the semester. In this particular unit, you can see that it's titled Cold War Chapter 13 and 14. So that means that there are 2 different chapters covered in this unit of study. These icons all represent different types of Canvas assignments or resources. These icons here represent pages. This icon is an assignment. This is a quiz, and this is a discussion. There's also a unit test that is a Canvas quiz at the end of this module. In order to add items to a module, simply click on the plus button and choose the item that you want to add. For example, if you want to add a discussion, go ahead and click on the item and then hit Add Item, and it adds it, as you can see. This drop-down menu gives you the options of what types of assignments or quizzes you can add. So if you already have built quizzes, you can add them simply by choosing the quiz and clicking Add Item. It would appear at the bottom of your module, and then you can move it up and down accordingly. So that's the basic module builder for Canvas. It's easy to use and easy to set up. Now let's get to the multi-tool module builder. It's the real reason for this tutorial. So on the left-hand side menu, you need to activate the multi-tool in order for it to operate. Really quick, here's a reminder of where to find the multi-tool and activate it so that it's useful in your Canvas course. Go to the Settings menu, and then at the top, click on the Navigation tab. So away from Course Details and click on Navigation. So at the bottom, you will find Multi-Tool. Click on Enable, and it'll move this to the top list of navigation items next to your other useful tools, and then you hit Save. So once that happens, you'll find Multi-Tool in the left-hand navigation bar. In order to activate the module builder in Multi-Tool, just simply click on the module builder, and it will gather the information that you already have in your course and let you use the tool. Once the tool loads, you'll find in Module Builder a list of existing modules if you have any already. If you don't, this is where the tool comes in very handy. That allows you to create multiple modules at once and create a naming convention for each module. So you determine first whether you want that to say module, level, etc., or section number, and then now the cool thing about the module pattern builder is that it allows you to create different items like assignments, discussions, maybe pages, and a quiz to end it up for each unit. Maybe you want to move things around, maybe put the resource page first. This might be a reading that the students are going to use. Then they're going to discuss that next, and then they're going to work on an assignment or a project. And after all those activities, they'll be ready for a quiz. So if that's the general pattern that you want to operate in, just put those items in there like that, and then give them an optional name, and you can go back and modify those names later. The other thing you can do is you can choose your items from an existing document and always go back and modify those at the end. In order to demonstrate how this operates, I went ahead and put in some fictional names of page name, discussion, assignment 1, and quiz 1, just to show you how this works. And then once you click on Generate Module List, it's going to generate 5 different modules that are built this way. And so I go down the list and you have module 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now you can start building the way you want these to look. You can either make them from scratch or choose an existing item on your list of resource pages that are already in your Canvas course. If you don't have anything, it's okay. You can always go back and copy and paste something from an old document that you have, or you can make these items from scratch. Anyway, that's how the module builder operates. Hopefully this was helpful. Have a great day.